Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're exploring the Advanced List Block, a powerful tool to create dynamic, icon-rich lists for your WordPress site. Let's dive in. Click the plus icon, search for Advanced List, and insert the aBlocks Advanced List Block. There it is, the Advanced List Block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. Now, under the General tab, let's start customizing. Here, you'll see two layout choices, vertical and horizontal. Next, control the alignment of your list items. Under Marker Type, you can choose how you want to display the bullet markers. Click the drop-down and pick from icon, shapes, or even emoji for a fun, creative touch. Enable this toggle to show dividers between list items. Adjust the space between each row. Next, inner gap. This controls the spacing within each list item. Finally, hit the plus Create New Item button to start building your custom list from scratch. Now, let's take a step further by customizing an individual list item. First, click on any of the list items to begin editing. Choose an icon from your media library or upload a new one to visually represent your list point. Adjust the icon width to control its size. You can drag the slider or enter an exact value for pixel-perfect results. Choose how your icon appears by selecting one of the view types: default, stacked, or framed. Decide whether the icon should appear before or after the text. Move to the title section. Type in the title text that suits your item. You can also set the HTML tag. Then, select a text size. Optionally, enable drop caps for that stylish first letter effect. Now switch over to the Style tab. Here, you can fine-tune the font and typography, icon text color, etc. Once you're done styling, repeat the same process for your other list items. And finally, don't forget to click Save to apply all your changes. Here's a preview of the beautifully designed advanced list we just created using aBlocks. And that's how you create and customize a professional-looking advanced list using aBlocks in WordPress. Like this tutorial? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful aBlocks videos. And happy building with aBlocks!